Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are going back with the T900 Ultra smartwatch. This is by request, okay, asking whether the message notification works with the T900 Ultra smartwatch as well as the Bluetooth call functionality. We check on our channel and seems like we forgot to have a video review of the Bluetooth call for the T900 Ultra smartwatch, and this time we are going to address the queries and we'll show you whether it works, okay, with the Bluetooth call as well as the push notifications. If you have any questions regarding this feature, okay, so we have here the Bluetooth call feature as well as the push notifications, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if you do have that time. Okay, so let's start. Okay, we are paired here with the support app. Again, it is using the Watch Plus application, as you can see here. So let's check on the settings here. Okay, so we have message push. Let's tap on this one and see. So we have here the call reminder. Let's activate the SMS reminder. And it is asking for, I thought it is asking for permission and none. Okay, so Facebook, here we have a permission. This one, open. Let's allow the Watch Plus. Allow notification access for Watch Plus. Allow. Then go back. Go back. Okay, let's activate the other applications here. WhatsApp, Facebook, WhatsApp, and I think this is the only two applications that is supported. We'll see if it will work with the Viber and Telegram. Okay, it's not. It also doesn't support the Skype here. Only the Line application and WeChat. Okay. Anyway, let's try frequent contacts. So the smartwatch has a support for phone book synchronization or adding phone numbers on the phone book. So tap on the frequent contacts. So none. Then add. So we have to add the name here and number, or just go to the phone book. Okay, so Watch Plus to access your contacts. Allow Watch Plus, allow. Then let's add a number here. Okay, then okay. Let's see if we'll have a number here. Set successfully, and we have the number. Okay, so let's start. Let's see. Let's call this phone. It is where the smartwatch is connected. Okay, let's try with this one, the WhatsApp application. So let's send a message. Hello, T900 Ultra. Okay, so let's send a message. Okay, so let's send a message. Message sent. Did we receive a push notification? None. Null. Okay, we didn't receive any. Again, okay, we have it here. T900 Ultra. Hello. Just delayed. Okay. Hello. Again. Message sent, and that's it. Okay, so it works. How about for the call notification? It's now calling. And we have the call notification here. Good. Okay, so it works for the call notification. Let's send this. Okay. Then go back. As you can see here, miss voice call. How about the messenger? Let's see with the messenger. Hello, T900 Ultra. Hopefully it works. Although we activated the Facebook there, I don't know if it's the Facebook app or the Facebook Messenger. Message sent. Okay, so as you can see, we receive a message on our other smartwatch, and we did not receive any notification here. Maybe it's delayed again. None. Message notifications. Hello. No response. Hello. Another message. We receive it in our smartphone. Okay. But we did not receive any notifications here. Okay, none so far. Again, let's try to call. It's now calling the number. Let's end the call. Okay, no response here on our smartwatch. No notifications. So there's no support for Facebook Messenger. Let's try with the Viber application here. Hello. Okay. Okay, we receive on other smartwatch, but not here on the smartphone. Okay, still WhatsApp application. Hello again. I guess will not be able to. There's no support for the Viber. Telegram. Sent. Let's wait. Let's have a follow-up. Okay. I guess there's a delay on the Telegram messages. Okay, that's it. We receive a message and there's no push notification on our smartwatch, only WhatsApp application. And as you can see here, just the limited number of applications. Instagram, okay, Line, and what else? Let's check. So these are the applications. WeChat, QQ, Facebook, Twitter, Line. Okay. So let's have an SMS messages. Hello. Message sent. Okay, receive it on our smartwatch. But we don't have any push notifications here on our smartwatch. None. Disappointing. Again, hello. Although we already activated it here. As you can see, we receive a push notification. We already activated the SMS reminder, as you can see here. Okay, but we did not receive any messages. None, as you can see. Okay, I don't know why it's not working. Everything is set. It works with a WhatsApp application, but not for the SMS and other apps. Okay, next, again, disappointing result. Let's have a Bluetooth call. It's calling the number. It's now dialing. Oops, we did not receive any calls here on the dialer or on our phone book. And let's check. Maybe there's some issues here. We did not receive any Bluetooth phone call also, although we already added it in our, or we already set it in our support app. Bluetooth on.